All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. 6-in-1 miners, BUSD crop farmers, you name it, we're talking about it on this channel. Well, today we're bringing you a new 6-in-1 miner, Baseball Farm. That's right, this has already launched, just launched the FTM, but the other chains, the BNB and the USDC, the BNB and the BUSD has not launched yet, so that's why we're bringing this to you. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, one day even get into some projects and then have a good time with cryptocurrency. Well, we also announced that we started a new sports channel, Frank's Sports Corner. So how appropriate is this? Baseball Farms. Let's head over to Baseball Farms Crypto. All right, here we go. Baseball Farms. Now, again, all my information is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial planner. Play at your own risk. Baseball Farms. This is on FTM. They do have some different ones coming here. Take a look at this. They got BNB coming. If I click it, coming soon. The one I'm really excited about right here is BUSD. You click it, and it says coming soon. And then the last one is Avax, coming soon. The one I'm most excited about is BUSD. So start to play the FTM reward pool with the tastiest daily rewards and the lowest dev fee. All right, let's check this out here. You get a daily return of 10% daily, APR of 36.50. Your stadium, the FTM reward with the tastiest daily rewards and your lowest dev fee. I put 100 FTM in this, and I got 664 balls to help me with this. It says right here, let's blow this up. This is a true 6-in-1 miner, because to sell your balls, it says it's blocked for 6 days, 22 hours, and 38 minutes and 4 seconds. I can't sell anything for a full 7 days. And to refix or to compound, it's blocked for 22 hours and 37 minutes. So the nice thing about this is you can only, for the people that are out there not doing the true 6-in-1s, this is going to force you to do a 6-in-1. I'll go ahead and put my referral link at the bottom right here. Baseball Farms multi-chain DeFi 6-in-1. All right, let's go over to the white paper. Right here at the top, it's audited by Auto Crypto, Trusto Crypto, and Hayes Crypto. So it's been audited 3 times. Fantastic. Click on the white pages. Here we go. There's 8 pages here. Security, audit, and optimization, Baseball Farm. Token defined to use of the contract. This one is FTM Phantom. High risk, high reward contract. Remember, play at your own risk here. No vulnerabilities, no backdoors, no scam scripts are found in the Baseball Farm smart contract. The code was tested against supported compliers and manual reviews for all known specified vulnerabilities. Therefore, Baseball Farm smart contract is safe to use on the Binance Smart Chain. All right, problems, high. The system uses called an ROI and should be considered high risk. Users' capital deposit cannot be withdrawn. All right, so whatever you put in, you can't get that back. You're going to get your rewards back. Users can earn dividends and referral commissions. Dividends are paid from the deposits of other users. In other words, if it depends on all the times of the balance of the contract. So we will always recommend that you do your own fundamental research on your investment. Of course, don't just listen to us YouTubers. Do your own homework. Independent description of smart contracts. Release date, May 2nd. This project launched, but they just launched it recently. Contract owner, deposit balls. There's a 10% fee every time you withdraw your balls. You're going to actually get a 5%. Investment plan, the basic interest rate on the initial date approximately is 10% daily. The daily rate will change based on the deposits and the withdrawals of other users. Deposit by miners. Users can buy miners from FTM token, and the miner's price will be calculated at the time of deposit. Wanted to show you this right here. There's only 56 players right here at the bottom corner. There's only 56 players playing right this second. So I don't know if you can see that. So there's 56 of us in there. Pretty soon to be 560 of us. And then 5,000 of us. Again, all my information for educational purposes only. Got 664 balls to actually do the miners. Minimum investment is 10 FTMs. Miners will produce balls and users can sell balls for profit. Miners will work forever and users can withdraw earnings until the contract has enough to balance. All right, what does it say over here? Market balls. In the amount that will be defined at the beginning of the contract and will change the deposit. 20% of each deposits or compounds will be added to the market balls. The withdrawal amount is added to the market balls. An increase in market balls will reduce the daily rate and increase stability. Go over here, withdrawals. When you go to sell the balls, users can sell balls produced by miners on the 7th day after each miner withdraws or the first deposit. The withdrawal amount will be affected in the case of not making a daily investment, which donation is the daily rate. So once you basically do that, as you can see, I can't do nothing for 7 days. So this is going to force you to do the 6 and 1, and on the 7th day, I can go ahead and take my profits out. What does it say? Each miner will produce one ball every second. 1 balls every second. Miners produce balls a maximum of 12.5 days. Users must try to remove or combine the balls production. After mining and compounding, the miners will start working again. Users can withdraw or combine many times without a limit. Users can combine their availability balls and buy more miners. The miner's price will be calculated based on the formula mentioned in the deposits above. Referral system. The contract pays a referral commission of 8.33 on one level, commission of 8.33 on a referral deposit or compound balls. The commission will be paid on balls that users will be able to withdraw or capitalize. Users cannot use their wallet as a reference for themselves, so you can't refer yourselves. Project commissions. Every time you buy, there's a 10%. Every time you sell, there's a 5%. All right, let's read the disclaimer to you. Baseball Farm 6 and 1 is a smart contract that is free of vulnerability that can cause the extractions of contract funds without backdoors or functions. That allows partial or total loss of the contract, much less include any scam methods or scripts that can be reached to attain improper data. I declare myself unfunded. My only task was to audit and develop the contract, being able to verify the vulnerabilities that the contract may have. My role was purely professional and from a technical and not a financial point of view. We are not responsible for the funds or guarantee of the profits proposed here. We recommend that you do your own analysis and financial evaluation, how profits the investments will be, since our vision be technical, does not evaluate the profitability or the capacity of the investment. All right, everybody. Again, wanted to bring this to you. Baseball Farm. It's a miner, a 6 and 1. Everybody has probably a little FTM. I ended up throwing in 100 FTMs in there. It got me 664 balls. It looks like I've already got almost 1 FTM already made here. Can't sell anything for 6 days, 22 hours, and 31 minutes. My key thing with this is I know I may have put 100 in. How much is FTM right now? Let's see, is it 38 cents? Let's see here. FTM is 41 cents. So I put around $41 into this. FTM's up 12% today, which is fantastic. But the thing that excites me is right here, this BUSD. If I click it, it says coming soon. So I'm in the project. I'll go to this every single day, and there'll probably be some type of a thing here when they launched their BNB, when they launched their BUSD, which is the one I'm excited about, and Avax here. All right, again, thanks for tuning in to Frank's Crypto Corner. We all got a little phantom laying around. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. Click right here. I'm going to link the BUSD crop farmers. Click over here. I'm going to link the USDC crop farmers. Baseball Farm could be a fantastic project for you all. All right, have a fantastic day, and we'll see you a little bit later.